How to control your activity on Facebook from being shared. The most commonly used social networking platform in India with an ever-growing user base is Facebook. The platform collects a lot of information about its users to give a unique experience to each one of us. Many people don't feel comfortable sharing this information with the giant. So, do you delete your account? What should you do to keep their data safe? You can take control of your activities and your information. Let's take a look at how you can do this. Off Facebook activity. Facebook lets users access and manage information that is shared with third parties. Click or tap the triangle, web version or menu mobile app icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Settings and Privacy. Open Settings. Go to your Facebook information. Click Off Facebook Activity. While you can't prevent data collection, you can look at Off Facebook Activity to see who's sharing what details about you on the social network and unlink your profile from it. Who reports your activity to Facebook? To exchange information with Facebook, websites and applications, use a range of social media tools ranging from the Sign In with Facebook button to analytics tools. On the Off Facebook Activity list, you will find some of those providers. Click or tap Manage your Off Facebook Activity and enter your Facebook password to see the full list. What do sites and apps transfer to Facebook? Off Facebook behavior is largely made up of data from your experiences with third-party providers. A media site, for example, might tell your social network that you read the latest news, while an online store might share details of a product that you viewed or purchased. Your Facebook settings let you download all this information. Go to Settings, Your Facebook Information, Off Facebook Activity and manage your Off Facebook Activity. Select Download your information from the page listing the apps that submit information about your online activities to Facebook. First, press the icon in the upper right corner of the phone in the mobile app. Select the data you want to download. You can choose the time period as well. Facebook maintains an archive of all information collected about you by default. Uncheck all boxes except advertising and companies if data from third parties is your only concern. Tap Create File. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days to create the archive. A simple request for information on Off Facebook Activity would most likely be fulfilled quickly. Facebook also gives you the option to find a complaint if you feel any confidential data of yours is transferred without your permission. Go to Settings, Your Facebook Information, Off Facebook Activity, manage your Off Facebook Activity. In the list of sites and apps, click or tap the name of the service. Click or tap Give feedback about this activity. Select the reason for your complaint, how to delete data from your account. Facebook allows you to delete data that has already been gathered about from your profile. To prevent your previous online behavior from affecting the advertising you see now, Settings, Your Facebook Information, Off Facebook Activity and click or tap Clear History. How to prevent sites from sending data to Facebook. You can't make Facebook and third-party providers stop communicating with you completely. Websites and applications will still send some information about you to social media sites. Some websites have modified their methods as a result of being caught handing over so much personal data, but this has little to do with Facebook settings. Configure the social network such that it does not connect details about your activities on third-party sites to your profile or use it to show target advertisements. You can do this for different sites and applications or all of them at once. To get Facebook to avoid adding data from a specific website to your profile, go to Settings, Your Facebook Information, Off Facebook Activity, Manage Off Facebook Activity. Click or tap the name of the site in the list, and in the window that opens, select Turn Off Future Activity from website name. Click or tap on the Turn Off button. To stop Facebook from showing you target ads based on the websites and applications you use, follow these steps. On the Manage Your Off Facebook Activity page with a list of services that have been shared information about you with Facebook, click or tap Manage Future Activity. Disable Future Off Facebook Activity. Click or tap Turn Off. Facebook will stop serving you ads based on information from that source in 2 days. You won't be able to use the Sign In with Facebook button on this site after that, unless you turn it back on. You might also prevent sites and apps from sending data to each other, but you will also be signed out of all services where you used Facebook to log in. For more information, log on to cyberpeace.org or reach out to us on WhatsApp at 91957 000066.